Today we are going to talk about a question that millions of people ask every day. How can I talk to people in English? Maybe you know many English words, maybe you understand English videos, but when it is time to speak, your mind becomes blank. You feel nervous, you become afraid, and finally you stay silent. In this happens to you, don't worry. You are not alone. Every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. Nobody is born speaking English. They learned it one step at a time. Today, I will show you a simple way to start talking to people in English. Rule number 1. Don't wait to be a perfect. Many people think, I will speak English after I learn grammar. I will speak after I knew 5000 words. That day never comes. The truth is simple. You learn English by speaking, not by waiting. Even if your English is broken, speak it. Every mistake is a lesson. Every conversation makes you better. Example, imagine two friends. Rahul was until his English is perfect. Aman speaks every day, even with mistakes. After 6 months, Rahul still waits. Aman speaks confidently. Who improved? Of course, Aman. Because practice is more powerful than perfection. Rule number 2. Start with small sentences. Don't try to speak long sentences. Use simple English. For example, hello. How are you? My name is Nilesh. I am from India. I like reading. What is your name? Nice to meet you. Simple English is real English. Even native speakers use simple sentences every day. Example conversation. Person A, hello. Person B, hi. Person A, how are you? Person B, I am fine. How are you? Person A, I am good. Thank you. Person B, what is your name? Person A, my name is Nilesh. What is your name? Person B, my name is Rahul. C. The conversation is simple, but it builds confidence. Rule number 3. Don't fear mistakes. Suppose you say, he go to school. The correct sentence is, he goes to school. Someone corrects you. Is that bad? No. That correction helps you improve. Mistakes are your teachers. People laugh for a moment, but your confidence can stay forever if you keep speaking. Rule number 4. Speak every day. Speak for just 10 minutes daily. Talk to yourself. Talk in front of a mirror. Record your voice. Read English aloud. The more you speak, the easier it becomes. Remember, practice creates confidence. Confidence creates fluency. Real life example. Imagine you go to a shop. You can say, hello, I want a bottle of water. How much is it? Thank you. These are simple sentences, but they help you use English in real life. Next time at a restaurant, you can say, I would like a cup of tea. Can I have the menu, please? Thank you. Every small conversation makes you stronger. Rule number 5. Listen more. Good speakers are also good listeners. Watch English videos, listen to simple stories, repeat what you hear, copy the pronunciation. Little by little, your speaking will improve. A small story. A boy named Arjun wanted to speak English. Every day he felt afraid. One day, he decided to speak just one sentence. The next day, he spoke two sentences. Then three. After 1 year, he could talk confidently with new people. People asked him, how did you become fluent? He smiled and said, I never stopped speaking. That is the secret. Final message. If you want to speak English, don't wait. Start today. Don't fear mistake. Don't compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with the person you were yesterday. One sentence today, two tomorrow, 10 next month. One day, you will speak English with confidence. Remember this, every fluent speaker was once a beginner. So believe in yourself, keep learning, keep speaking, and never give up. Believe in yourself. Before you speak English, you must first believe that you can learn it. Many people think, my English is weak, I will make mistakes. People will laugh at me. These thoughts stop you before you even start. Instead, tell yourself, I am learning. I will improve every day. I am not afraid of mistakes. Your confidence starts in your mind. Example: imagine two students. Ria knows many English words, but she is afraid to speak. Rohan knows only a few words, but he speaks every day. After 1 year, Rohan speaks much better than Ria. Why? Because speaking is a skill, and every skill becomes stronger with practice. Situation 1: meeting someone new. You: hello, my name is Nilesh. Other person: nice to meet you. You: nice to meet you too. Other person: where are you from? You: I am from India. Other person: what do you do? You: I am learning English and I want to improve my speaking. This is a simple conversation. You don't need difficult words. Situation 2: asking for help. You are in a market. You cannot find a shop. You can say, excuse me, can you help me? Here is the medical store. Thank you very much. These simple sentences are useful every day. Situation 3: talking to a friend. Friend, how was your day? You: it was good. Friend: what did you do today? You: I studied English. I watched a video and practiced speaking. Friend: that's great. Keep going. Simple conversations help you become comfortable with English. Don't translate every sentence. Many beginners first think in Marathi or Hindi, then translate into English. This takes time. Instead, learn simple English sentences as complete ideas. For example, I am hungry, I am tired, I am happy, I don't know, I understand. These sentences become natural with practice. Daily practice. Spend just 15 minutes every day. Learn 5 new words. Speak for 5 minutes. Read English aloud for 5 minutes. If you do this every day, you will see improvement in few months. Small steps every day bring big results. A motivational story. A young man dreamed of speaking English fluently. At first, he was shy. He spoke only one sentence every day. Sometimes he made many mistakes, but he never stopped. People noticed his improvement. After 1 year, he could confidently introduce himself, make new friends, and speak in interviews. His success did not come from talent, it came from consistency. Final motivation: never say, I can't speak English yet. That one word, it changes everything. Your journey starts with one word, then one sentence, then one conversation. One day you will look back and smile because you never gave up. Remember, confidence comes from practice, not from perfection. Keep speaking, keep learning, keep believing in yourself. Your English will improve one day at a time. Stop thinking about perfection. Before speaking, many people ask themselves, what if I make a mistake? What if they laugh at me? What if I forget the words? These questions create fear. Instead, ask yourself, what if I improve today? What if this conversation makes me better? Your mindset decides your success. Example: imagine a baby learning to walk. The baby falls many times, but does the baby stop trying? No. The baby stands up again. One day, the baby walks confidently. Learning English is exactly the same. You may make mistakes today, but those mistakes are helping you become fluent. Situation 1: talking to a stranger. You: hello, is this seat free? Other person: yes, please sit. You: thank you. Other person: what's your name? You: my name is Nilesh. Nice to meet you. Other person: nice to meet you too. A simple conversation can start a new friendship. Situation 2: speaking in an interview. Interviewer: tell me about yourself. You: good morning. My name is Nilesh. I am from India. I enjoy learning new skills, especially English. I am hardworking, honest, and always ready to learn. Thank you. Notice that the answer is simple, but it sounds confident. Confidence is more important than difficult vocabulary. Situation 3. Asking questions. Never be afraid to ask questions. You can say, could you repeat that please? Can you speak slowly? I didn't understand. Can you explain it again? These sentences show that you these sentences show that you want to learn. The 30-day challenge. For the next 30 days, speak English for 10 to 15 minutes every day. Learn 10 new words daily. Read one page of an English book. Watch one short English video. Speak to yourself in front of a mirror. Record your voice and listen to it. At first, you may feel uncomfortable. After a few weeks, you will notice a big difference. A story of courage. There was a boy who wanted a good job. Every interview ended the same way. He was afraid to speak English. Instead of giving up, he made a promise. I will practice every single day. Every morning he spoke in front of mirror. Every evening he read English aloud. Every night he learned new words. Months passed. His confidence grew. One day he attended another interview. This time he smiled, answered confidently, and got the job. People thought he was naturally fluent, but they never saw the hundreds of days he spent practicing. Success always comes after consistent efforts. Final motivation. Always remember, your English today does not decide your future. Your daily practice does. Don't compare yourself with fluent speakers. Compare yourself with the person you were yesterday. One new word, one new sentence, one new conversation. These small steps will change your life. Never stop because of fear. Never stop because of mistakes. Never stop because someone laughed at you. One day, the same people will be surprised by your confidence. Believe in yourself, speak every day, learn every day, grow every day. And always remember this, the person who keeps speaking will always go further than the person who keeps waiting. Thank you for watching. Keep smiling, keep learning, and keep speaking English. See you in the next lesson.